Hello, and welcome back to the #1 guide of the cylinder. And today, we shall venture south to see the southern Great Plains. Allow me to paint a picture for you. As you were walking through the tall, dry grass, you noticed a flock of seagulls in the distance, drawing your eye to the ruins, also in the distance. As you began trampling through the tall, dry grass once again, you noticed a rattlesnake fleeing from its nest. You look ahead as you see a sudden face peering through the grass. It was a crimson ass, a very unfortunately named species of pig with a similar ecological niche in its environment. You peer down to see two piglets, very unfortunate for you, as parental pigs are typically very protective of their young and will protect them up to the very end. As their crimson asses are not only a mating display, they are also intimidation for any would-be predators. Luckily, you were able to get around the family of pigs with relatively no harm to you. As you walked further through the grass, you noticed a large ruin with a relatively small patch of trees around it. That sound you just heard was the call of a runner bird, an omnivorous scavenger bird that is no stranger to cardio, as it very commonly comes across predators in its grassy environment. So much so that this species of bird knows how to run as soon as it comes out of the egg. You turn to see the birds running into a cave in the structure. You'd be wise to follow. But instead, you pay it no mind and continue walking. As you do, you lean up against a wall and suddenly feel a strange texture you weren't familiar with. But it is too late, as you have fallen into the trap of a clay dragon, one of the most stealthily deadly dragons in the world, comparable to a big cat. Sporting the sheer muscle mass of a crocodile with wings, and long, flat, brick-shaped scales blending into the ruins of their environment. Truly, these animals are the pinnacle of stealthiness in animals. The dragon fires its breath weapon at you, searing your flesh and swiftly bringing an end to your life. And this chapter of the Cylinder's Survival Guide